In this video, I show you how to fix edit an Instagram app download problem. Edits an Instagram app not downloading from Play Store. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now search for Play Service. Click on Google Play Service. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Play Store. Now click on Get Started. Use biometric. Confirm. Now search for Instagram edit app. Click on Edits. Now click on Install. Now I hope that this method fix edits an Instagram app not downloading from Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.